My name is Hariom Gupta. I am from Tattapani, and I was interested to have a installation of the aluminum door and the window. I have contacted with other companies also, but they fixed it to 1 or 3 windows, but I was not satisfied. Then I approached to Fenesta, and they came over here and they talked about me and they give me the good advice, do this way, do that way. And they have showed me the product. It was really good and I'm really happy. And they fixed windows for my house and the doors. I really very much happy and I appreciate the mechanic, how they did the job over here. They were really, really nice. I advise to anyone, if you are having the, time, or if you are having, interested to have some doors and windows of aluminum, please contact them first. If you are going to approach another company before going there another company, go to the Fenesta first and then ask them their advice. They are really good people, and I don't have any issue over technical things. They are all doors, windows and mesh. They are very, very good, and product is good and everything is fine.